Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with another Let's Get Organized video for you. So in this video today, I brought in a bunch of boxes from the camper trailer that we just have parked outside our house, that when I moved back into the house about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, we kind of just threw all of my extra scrapbooking stuff in the camper trailer. I was going to go through it, and then I just never did. And when something's out of sight and out of mind, like, it's just not even something that I think about on a daily basis. And so every once in a while, I would go out there and kind of look for some things that I knew were out there, and then I would bring those things in, but I never ended up bringing in all of those boxes. So I think this was in February, possibly the end of January, where I was like, okay, it's a little bit of a warmer day, and I had the whole weekend, Saturday and Sunday, that I just wanted to go through boxes and organize and put them in places throughout the house. And then also, I believe it was either later this day or the next day that we went and picked up it was like this really nice armoire that my wife, Ashley, who you can actually see on the left side there, she found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it was crazy nice, and they only wanted $100 for it, and it was gonna work perfect for all of my extra scrapbooking supplies. And so we really jumped on that, and the lady let us come and pick it up. I believe it was the day after this. I think this day of filming was a Saturday, and then the next day was a Sunday, and it was such a heavy piece, but we got it in the house, and it has been working amazing. It is really, really big, and so it does kind of take up a lot of space in this area, but it has helped so much with organizing all of the extra supplies that I really just didn't want to give up. And it was really bothering me how much all of this stuff was just kind of sitting out, and I wanted it to be more contained. So you can look forward to seeing that in the next week's video, I believe. And right now I'm just going through all of these boxes and things and trying to organize stuff and contain it within the living room as I have it now. So it is going to change up a bit, and the twins did help me a little bit towards the beginning of the video. I think for the rest of the video, it's just me and a little bit of Ashley kind of just walking around. But here you can see I'm going through, I believe this is like stamp pads that I'm looking through, and the dogs are all there. I'm always working around dogs and kids, and I apologize if it bothers you that my camera keeps moving. Sometimes the dogs will hit it, and just like right then, and I don't notice that the dogs hit it, and so I don't fix it. So anyway, I am just going to let you finish watching this video. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I hope that you have been enjoying this organizing series. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure if you haven't subscribed that you click the subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great scrappy week.